This particular client was more focused on possibly holding her interest because there is a new well that's getting ready to be drilled. We could expect a potential revenue in the next approximate 8 months. She's got other family members that are interested in selling though, and so she just wanted to know the possible downfalls of holding versus possibly taking.
So she had a few different scenarios within the family though. She wanted to maybe hold, others wanted to sell. What do you do in that kind of situation? What's your advice?
The decision to either hold your minerals or sell your minerals is a very personal decision. A lot of factors dependent upon age, financial stability, etc. So in her case, her daughter expressed a great desire of her keeping the interest, and her other relatives are interested in cashing out and selling it because they've owned it for so long and not a whole lot of revenue has ever come from owning it. So they were presented with offers for someone to buy it, and they're very intriguing, and they'd rather get some money out of it now and enjoy the money now versus retaining the interest, seeing what kind of royalty income, seeing what happens in the future.
But it is possible. It is possible to have some family members sell and some not sell.
Yeah, it's 100% normal for members to keep it and other family members to sell it.
What are some of the advantages and disadvantages of not everyone selling together?
There's power in numbers, and so it's better for everybody to band together and make a unified decision. Mineral buyers, they run title, and it costs them several $1,000s to run title, and so they'd rather buy more interest than less interest because it essentially lowers their cost in running the title, because the title stems from the same ownership anyway. It's just broken down to each individual family member, and each one of them own their own interest. But it's better to go as a group instead of breaking it apart, because a mineral buyer, there's many different factors for mineral buyers on timing. If they're new to a unit or new to an area, they might be willing to pay more up front to get into the unit or get into the area, and then as they stay in that area and they continue to buy, their goal is to lower their cost. So they're going to dollar cost average down. So for example, if two family members decide to sell now, they might get more money than what the other two family members might get later on down the road, because a buyer's already bought, they're already in that unit, and so they're not inclined to pay more money, equal or even more money, to buy more interest, unless there's different developmental situations. So the moral of that story is buyer timing is different for any given situation.